Lindle sorry leli liyavela la.
No, it's okay nokuvela vele kwamanye ama-episode. Awujwayele ukuyibuka ishow?
Sundown.
Thank you, Machiti. Awuqale phansi. Itafula isonto.
Siyanibingelele emakhaya sibuyele Ins podcast Purple Shepherd lo. Well, siphinde sinikhumbuze emakhaya ukuthi subscribe, like and we do share content yethu. Namanje sisanxusa ngomusa uNkulunkulu ukuthi please do like and subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms, and thank you for the love that you're showing us everywhere. Asiqhubeke njalo bazalwane abahle siphushele nqola and spread the love, and also make sure that you subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe, tell your enemies, your friends, your exes to subscribe in the Ins podcast. And Sisemachite, now yazi, one of the best podcasts in Africa. Mawungacwali zocwala. Mashid. Purple Shepherd lo ntwana thatosha ihambi yodwa ihamba nama-out kuyanyiwa. Let's start la machita uyazi sikuphathela izinto ezimnandi zodwa la ku Ins podcast. Zocwala ngenombolo.
Thank you, Machiti. Thank you, Tana Sathu. Faka omunye 7 ezinye isitempe esikade sagcina ukusha la. Shisa semthatha.
Shisa wayena manje same time.
Faka omunye iqhithe subscribe bonina. Thank you, Machiti. Thank you, Mhlobo. Thank you, Puto Bonchis. Jaga, dude.
Welcome again, gents. Jack Kalala here, first of his name, second to no one. King to the wise, wise to the king. Stress to the stressless, less to the stressed. And we in the building. Danko.
Thank you, Jaga, dude. Thank you, stress to the stressless. Thank you.
Zoba stressa namhlanje.
Thank you, Jaga, dude.
He's a showcase. Thank you, Machite.
Thank you, Shudix.
Let's start how Machite sikhona. Sikanje uandile wakangcobo Ace Mahashul Shulex mangabe senot. Sikhona sibuyile sihleli sipositionekile. Bayazi ke njengoba seshilo uPhephat siyacela bafethu uShepherd mina siyacela bafethu ukuthi ni subscribe. Niphinde nambe nyo comment and ni like and ni share. On Instagram it's the Ins podcast. On TikTok it's the Ins podcast. Unfortunately for now we are not on Facebook, but siyasondela kungekudala. Okwamanje appreciate kakhulu efforts enifaka on social media with the comments, everything siyayibona. Siyacela ukuthi ningapheli amandla. Sikanje danke.
Yes.
Hey.
Tanki sazi sasenot.
Thank you, Shudix.
Tanki mzala.
Thank you, Mhlobo.
Tanki.
Thank you, Butelo kunjani?
Tanki. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Utedi Waganzama, also known as Utedi We Kofi.
No punches.
Tanko.
Thank you, sir. Welcome to the Ins podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Ikamunkanyi Sonqome, your co-host. Thank you, Mashitin. Thank you, Shapir. Thank you, Tana Satosh.
Tanki Matoshi.
Thank you, stress to the stressless.
Tanki. Esondweni.
Thank you, sir. Tana Satosh, usiphathele.
I know siyabonga man without waste isikhathi. But honestly, since just born again, one more time, I think we don't emphasize enough how much we appreciate the support that you guys are giving us. And thank you so much with everything. And also do suggest, man, mawuthi mhlambe khona okunye ufuna sik-add la or ufuna improve kuwona. We really try our best to improve. But other than that, siyabonga. Well, mashile brazo.
Manje kakhulu.
Buthe uyaqonda nje last week. Namanje
Siyabona inkinga engibhekene nazo. Hey mfethu. Uyabona inkinga engibhekene nazo. Mfethu le engesayirekhoda Wednesday lesayirekhoda Thursday. Ayikho improve. Igama lami negama lakho. Phuma emlomeni wakho nephuma emlomeni wakho. Siyirekhode ngesonto elilodwa nefa. Mashi kakhulu Shapiri. Hey, kumele ngabambeka yona. Yazi lapho ngibanjwe into ebheda kanjani ngoba ngibanjwa ukuthi angifuni ukuphuma endlini mangisipana. So into engimele ngiyiphumele endlini akube into ebalekile. Angazi ukuthi waye kugona ngazinto ebalekile because ukuza la eSatorial futhi umuntu chef abe grand. But nje for some reason I was like, nah. Ngengikwazi.
already.
Yeah. Mfethu hayi. Uzobamba nemoyeni. Bamba nemoyeni. Uthumele inyuka thizeni ukuthi hayi awuyaqoqa stress. Sama ngistress. Awuyalokhulu. Sokugcwala ngigoli. No, apha vele nalajampanga bo. Mhlawumbe namasesteri wona phela bona lezi zinto lezi.
Okay.
Awayidlulisanga. Ayi uma idlulisile hayi manje.
Well, today's topic, man, we want to talk about how is being raised by a single parent, especially ma-old. I think the majority it's like in school is ma-old, right? No man wrong.
Hey mina yeah. Am outsini
Ma-old,
but yeah.
A bit of both, man.
a bit of both.
Yeah.
Sure. Chawatul.
Fortunately, both parents, but
Shout out.
a big impact from the mom.
Shout out.
Yeah, same.
Same.
Yeah.
Actually, just anbuza nani.
Hey yeah.
I know what correct. Well, I mean, our faith is kulisa only lab the magic faith too. Say so I can start by sharing my experience growing up. Kulisa Olit, and I'll share a little bit about it, and then we can continue with the topic and I'm planning because I think the other topic especially in what is happening in our country right now, with everything, born all these social ilako and uti ingane yomfana neglect kakhulu, so siyabona ukuthi if ever asibalancise le nombolo igcina isiba ingasabambeki yabo njengokubona all these things that are happening and ey'khathini ey'ningi uxewa indoda especially lemnyama. So I can attest ukuthi ukukhuliswa umama mfethu it's very warm, chief. It's very warm. I mean, they nurture you, and you end up being too feminine, cool, mom cheat, because na shame uzozama ngayo yonke indlela to protect you, So I come from a family, where it's I willingness, chief, and being protector ngayo yonke. So I end up becoming too soft, But thank God for the environment. I would say then because the environment ayikho soft iyakuforce ukuthi kumele uqine ungalokho boyipotela ngowazi yakhala lapho benibambana nomjita nje ukuthi abuya ahayiza umakha yakho semsebenzini kuthiwa phindela kuyena siyokhalela futhi ubona yabuyela ukukhala iqupha mawuhluleka iqupha edonsi ibhodlela iqwale ngekho. So I think I thank God for it. You even though ngalincane lokish, but I think kwenye izinto fethu yabo uthi mawubuka manje musukhulile ubone ukuthi kusele if ever I didn't go through that mhlambe ngabe nami ngiyibhotela lo mfana ngami ngithambile yabo once nje kwanyakaza ngiyahayeza yabo. So then I think ukukhuliswa umama mfethu iphatha abayidlalayo, especially when nurturing, you're right, they can nurture you pretty and back protect, you know. So mina nje mfethu I would say i-olet lam nje mfethu when it comes to nurturing, that's why mfethu uma uthi yabo umuntu nje uyadate mfethu ubone cha uphathekile kahle la uyamasha ngoba phela sijwayele ukuphathwa kahle thina abazali bethu. Mina mfethu wami umana manje chief, even today chief, you know, my olet mfethu sangilethela nge-tray igawula, uyacabanga imbodla ngimdala. You know, so I feel like, bro, you know, being raised by a single parent, especially low mama, bro, it's very special, you know, and but it thingy balance, so which is what we want to talk about more today. So yeah, I mean, I don't know about you, Chief.
Same thing, but mina more than anything ngikhulisele craze, yabo. Because all the belngekho belidayidubani lizospan, yabo. But fortunately I did have a father figure kwakuyi-uncle, yabo. Yeah, he played a very critical role. Because yabo uphuma elokishini umzali uzozama ukudiscipline amagama angeke enze for call. Yabo mase idlulile emagameni kuvele kuthiwa sobize uncle. Kanye sokuceba ku-uncle, hayi useyabona ukuthi hey angiyifuni ke leyo, yabo. But more than anything, yes, ukuthi mhlambe nababa nama-limitations abo, yazi, because ngibuke amajita esikhule naye, khona out engakhula naye beyihlala ekasi, yabo naye ikhuliswe i-oledi because ithama lashona, ithama like kushona nje sencane out, yabo. So i-oledi kwasho ukuthi lisebenza grand, so i-oledi tried by all means ukuthi intwana yayo mayidinga something ikhona, yabo. But for us ithina noma kuthiwa fethu abazali they always had ama-limitations, but mengibuka kuyena yena wayehlezi eyithola fethu into ayidingayo kanye efonayo kanye edingakalayo. So I'm not sure what that does entwaneni umjida, especially if there's no father figure, because again engekho father figure, yabo. But he turned out really good naye empilweni wagrand. But kuyikhathi zamanje, yabo, the topic oyiqala is very important because kuyikhathi zamanje it's different manje mfethu, ngoba uyezwa kuthiwa abafana zizinja, uyezwa masculinity ngazuthi into negative, yabo. Abafana bapromote ukuthi abakhale, ababe more emotional, ababe vulnerable, abakhethe amagender. Kusazi ukuthi into wakhala manje thina, yabo. So kwizinto ezikanjalo mfethu, yabo. Ngoba ama-decision esiwathatha namhlanje most yawo ngeke imiphumela yayo siyibone manje,
Sure.
yabo. Imiphumela yayo unfortunately sizoyibona 10, 15, 20 years from now, yabo. Kuthiwa ukuthi intwana olethu lizame ngayo yonke indlela, yabo, ukuthi lifake iy'koleni ey'grand, intwana ikwazi ukukhala, ikwazi ukukhuluma, intwana ithi sese-high school nje sine-therapist. Yacabanga?
That's what is happening now.
Intwana isise-high school sine-therapist, yabo. So awazi ukuthi in 20 years or 10 years intwana misihlangana ney'nkinga izokwenzakalani, yabo. So yeah, but personally yes ngikhulise igrees of it, but I'm ngizama uku-understand. So uma uthi wena lali kunaturisha oledi, maybe like in what way nawe lali comfort nyana mawukhani, or in what way, like more of a guidance or
Not exactly. I think Olet Lam is very soft.
Yeah.
I mean, my mom taught me how to have empathy,
yeah,
you know, and also love people.
like shy.
No mash, agaze fethu. Uma is one of
yeah.
those people. Bonke abantu mase bephetile babalekela kuyena. That's why they always take advantage. Yeah, but because fethu is always welcoming and always loving, you know. So in my whole entire family, from my dad's side,
That's
my mom's
finally
side,
oledi.
hlezi fethu.
Back nje.
You know, my
Thandi no-
akekho noyedwa fethu sikhulile sonke. All my brothers and all my siblings are married now.
Yeah.
Akekho noyedwa waze nje ukushawa eOledi. You know, so I think Cherisha Waka was to show me empathy and also making sure that I know Uti I'm safe. You know, when I'm around home, you know, that's why Masitima car as a bed everything yeah guy. You know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Because kwesinye isikhathi kuyadingeka ukuthi ungabalekele ka sometimes into face. This is where usudinga khona ubaba, because ubaba uzokutshela ukuthi hayi baba semhlabeni
Yeah.
le kumele ulwe nawe uyibheke njengendoda udile nayo, you know, because abazali they try their best to protect us from anything ebuhlungu, you know, because so iyona ndlela fethu ayinginecharisha ngayo noma, you know, and she did an amazing work. But fethu ngiyengibuke manje ngisho ukuthi if ever mhlambe umuntu ukhule ne-time mhlambe probably, you know, kwakuzoba ngconywana, because kunezinye izinto engima ngibuka manje ngisho ukuthi kwangamele ngiyikhalele lezi, kwangumele ngiqine ngibe indoda ngiqhubeke, but ngakhala, but isimo saphinde sabuya futhi.
Wadila naso futhi.
Exactly. Yabo, and then manje mase sibuya vele manje I'm not equipped enough, you know, siphinde singithathe phansi ngikhale kanti kumele ngidile nje naso, you know. So I feel like yeah ilokho nje mina mfethu ngathi kwa omama wanginecharisha
Into engakanani ukukhalisa into or like inyembezi noma nje into ekuzisa ubuhlungu kakhulu. Ukukhala kwakho, do you refer to actual tears or into ekuzisa?
I think both, you know,
Yeah.
both where life becomes so hard and then you think it's the end of the world.
Oh, okay.
And it's just a matter, it's just life.
Yeah.
You're just trying something and it doesn't work out.
Yeah.
And then you're thinking just by trying, because ngale attendance and if it's a special, you know. Sometimes it's very dangerous when you've been raised in an environment where you think isn't as letter where.
Okanye izozenzakalela.
Yeah, so you are a very special child, so you don't have to, you know. But when you're out there in real life, it's different. You know, no one's special there, you know. So I think it was that thing in which Eluguti and then Masaka Pop. So Veluzam Pop will but and it was just like
Manje futhi yabuka kwabanye.
You know?
Nazi izinto ziyakahle nje.
Exactly.
Kanti mina kumele ngenze njani?
bruh, you know?
Ngoba nje siyabakhanyela laba.
Such things, you
Mina
know.
bayi kumele ngifukuze kanje.
Yeah, exactly. You know, can't DJ, bro. It's part of life. I mean, you're gonna try. Things are not gonna work out. You must keep moving. So it's not the end of the world, because man, you once was man, you give up. You know.
Maybe buyela kule yanto ukuthi umushayiwe kuthi ayihamba mfethu uyolwa futhi.
Exactly.
Yeah, ungabuya ukhala kodwa hamba you
Exactly.
go face that person.
Yeah, because that's what life will do, bro. You're gonna face difficulties in life. That's the thing.
Uzofeyila kumele
Brazo,
uhambe uyozama
fethu.
futhi. Ushayeke futhi.
Fethu.
Ushayeke kakhulu.
Kaningi.
Because manje le mpahla le, I think lento le yokulimala fethu umuntu okanye out ifika ngendlela ezi-different kona wonke ama-stages empilo but iyenzeka.
Sure.
Uma uyintwana ushawa umuntu ngaphandle okanye ubhulishe umuntu omdala uthi uma usakhula kube ithekeni ezokumisa kabi.
Sure.
Uthi kube indaba yabangani.
Sure.
Uthi kube indaba yenyuka.
Sure.
Uthi kube indaba mhlambe yecareer.
Yeah.
Emva kwalapho kuvele kube ibhizinisi ke straight. Uthi uyahlanganisa nje pay for code. Ithi yezi contract ize ithi mase
For you.
uyibone ihamba nomunye umuntu useduze kwakho.
Yeah.
Ngoba impilo injalo.
True.
But akusho ukuthi manje ngoba ingazanga shaya ikhono okanye.
Yeah.
Yeah, phela ungabuyela ngahlehla ubuyele emuva uyothatha amandla kodwa futhi ayibuyela futhi.
Yeah. But then
Asiqale
what's
phansi.
gonna happen if usushayile umakho mase was thula uzoba right mntana kulungile
Bayeke. Ungabisadlala noSibuku sasa.
Uma ukhona.
Ubuyisikoro.
uma ukhona 10 years uma ashona wona njani ayibona nalomqondo ukuthi uma ukhona azekho mama, what do you do?
Sokusho ukuthi usuyivalela wedwa endlini udlala i-depression nabo anxiety.
Exactly.
Ngoba phela bazokufica kamnandi uhlelo wedwa.
Yeah.
And uyasaba ngaphandle.
That's the thing, bro. Yabona ayikho into ebuhlungu njengale yanto yokuthi impilo yazi impilo lokuvethisa kanye sikuvethisa impilo ushaye ngempela and ubone awu ngigqemile ke manje ingishaye awuna plan chief ukwenze konke wathanda so wafasta ulalela motivation and everything konke ukwenze konke no 10 step nabo check on 10 step to become successful ukulalele konke na uze nencwadi samabhuku na mabhuku ibithi impilo do
Oh sada wena ngikulindile pastor. Ngidila na.
yeah
Bethu
Wenze
ufast.
njani?
Shabir ufast
Bro, ukwenza
uhambe
konke.
esontweni.
razo ukwenza konke
Upastor Kuthandi my favorite kid.
everything chief
Kodwa still.
everything. I mean, we once spoke about this the other episode.
Yeah.
Ngayo lento ukuthi lento fethu yokulimala you have to embrace it ukuthi empilweni fethu uzovingqubuzeka you know and kuzoshaya kuzokwenzeka fethu njengoba usho nokuthi sometimes uthi ubalile fethu business vele engahlangani then what do you keep going or you just close and then give up we relax
Keka masaka kugodu. Isedlaleni oledi likhona.
yeah
But yazi mfethu ushapeli mina ukuthi mhlambi ngishawa ukuthi yabo lento kungabe na backup ikingibonisa impilo ngenye indlela different but ngibuka abantu mfethu umuntu one backup umuntu owaziyo ukuthi hayi ioledi likhona linenyuka futhi like okanye not even ioledi but ekhaya bakhona banenyuka so even if manje mina le mali enginayo ngebox iyaphela hayi ngicovered yabo ioledi will scoop in okanye ithama will scoop in yabo there's no one who's gonna say mfethu ngoba usuyidlile ke hayi sibonele ukuthi imali yokugibela uzoyithatha
Do you think umuntu one backup unayiphi advantage? Or should I ask this question kanje? Umuntu one backup does he have disadvantage or an advantage? Ekubeni backup.
so it's always gonna be it's always gonna be some sort of an advantage ne because it gives you that freedom yokuthi unga stress that much without the toughness oyithola ngala yabo or that resilience oyithola ngala because ngala kakhulu mfethu like I mean case in point Donald Trump mfethu umuntu ozoboleka imalini ithema lakhe lamboleka yona mulandeli ihistory yakhe le yangempela umusu uyingcakaza esayidini uyambona ukuthi lo mjida wafeyile bamnika futhi eninyu
Yeah.
So ikunikeza leyo freedom ukuthi libe luzama izinto libe lu explore without the pressure because thina esiqhamuka leli side leli lenhlupheko sicabanga ukuthi everyone kumele adlule kulento in order for them ukuthi bathole leya resilience okanye lesa spirit sokulwa imele adlule enhluphekweni kanti abanye they do not have to yabo like khona abantu abangazami kakhulu empilweni izinto zabo ziphumelele mfethu they like shabili khona abantu abangazami mfethu like abantu engasithi bane magic like you can imagine ukhula ke mfethu nine trust okanye abazali bafika ngalezi izikhathi mfethu iBE isa introduce so banamathenda nabo connection galo wena into required kuwena ukuthi ungenzi nje icala lizokufaka ejele kodwa noma iliphi lelo cala siyakwazi uactivate connection uphuma so noma yipi mistake oyenzayo wena sikhona singabazali we got you sinama lawyers sinabo connection khona intane kanjalo ezinaleyo freedom empilweni eziyiphila impilo mfethu ibe yinto nje yebo so le experience yethu it's not like it's the ultimate experience ukuthi everyone should go through pain and suffering nepoverty ukuze aphumelele no but thina vethu sinelinye ikhadi bras sinelinye ikhadi bro ongakwazi nje yazi but can you understand ukuthi njengamanje thina where we are asikwazi kuvele sikhulume ngepolitiki freely kwi-podcast because as influential as you might be ku social media you know that there are people who are very powerful behind it and awunayo access bangakubiza nje intana yami okay uzobhayizini imashini Do you understand? So kunezinto ezikanja bona banaleyo freedom yokuthi like ngibuke uSizwe Fethu, like uSizwe Mpofu, watch.
Yeah.
He can talk about any politician. Or maybe not even like anyhow, because at least unenabo PhD unanani so ufundile uyayazi indlela right yokukhuluma yabo. In as much as ikuthini ngeke ibuke kanjalo, but I'd assume ukuthi since efunde kangaka ya even those address lezinto, but akhulume ngamagama nezinto ethi wena uma uyibuka ukuthi hey bengingakhuluma ngale mpahla mina akangibiza fast like that. So I thought manje do you understand? Izinto kanjani? So there are people who are like that.
No, not Tula.
Sinambe kakhulu angisazi ngizongena kuphi. Sinambe kakhulu. But I think mina ekhulwini kwami mfethu, I think we've had this conversation I think here before. But then for me I think it was different because ngikhule vele area which was very remote yabo. There was no neighbors abaseduze. I lived ekhaya was almost a house, and then it's like 2 kilometers away there's another house yabo. So early as much as ngikhule so olate in time abelingekho in the same house, but olate belikhona nogogo bekhona nomalume abawu2 bebekhona, and I had all the siblings, cousins, but osisibama abadala yabo. So bekumndeni ogcwele ofudumele. So with everything ebeyenzeka egcekeni, you'd understand ukuthi there's no one to blame for anything yabo. We hardly had abantu who I'd point out ngithi hey sibukela kuloya muzi lo, sibukela kula abantu bakuloya mndeni because bangcono kunathi yabo. It was almost the same setting for everyone around. Even nakulo muzi othile 2 kilometers away, nalo 2.5 or 1.5 kilometers away, it was almost the same story yabo. So mase esikoleni there was no motivation. Bekungekho ukubuka umuntu eprimary uthi hey bangcono kwaleyo besifanele yabo. So I believe would always come from lento efundisa uthisha and lento ozoyitshela uthisha ukuthi mfethu mina I see this in you yabo. So it was a very tough situation. I see you live this life. Yeah, well, there was no role models around. You had to create your own. As a result, I think bengibuka kakhulu ibhola, bengidlala ibhola, bengithanda ibhola yabo. So bengibuka ibhola, so ama role models ama be sports. Yabo. And when you follow their stories, you'd find out that actually they also went the same routes now yabo. Omunye akhulanga kahle yabo. So ukuqala ukukholelwa kumina, I had to start from a very young age. Because akekho umuntu ebengizothi I lo mistake yaqala ngokuthi ubani wengekho yabo. Mina ithama lami belisipana, but eksipaneni kwalo bekusebenza esibhedlela. Lafunda la graduate la spana esibhedlela. Angeke ngize ngithi lalingekho empilweni yethu because lalikhona empilweni, but because of umsebenzi belifika liphinde lihambe yabo. Besikhuluma nalo almost every night because at the time amafoni abesekhona lawa Sony Ericsson yabo. So yawazi uphinde akufonele ntambama yabo, phinde ngixoxe naye asho good night yabo, uyancanyana zonke lezo zinto lezo yabo. So I had to motivate myself. Yeah. Yeah. Ithama lami belingcabuza mina
beautiful
yabo. Yeah. Yeah, belikwazi ukuthi kumele ikhona mase lizohamba isibizi. Yeah. Vele isicabuza iphongo yabo. And then obviously phela mawusu ukhula it's different yabo. And then uyaqala now so at distance time lakho linalo affection too much, but bengiyithola.
That's important.
Even so that's why in most cases I would say it's very hard for me to relate to how umuntu ukhuluma ngama single because I didn't experience it. Mengekho oleti bekhona ugogo, mengekho ugogo bekhona umalume, mengekho umalume bekhona omunye umalume, and then every weekend khona wonke umuntu yabo. So kodwa ngikwazi futhi ukupointa ngithi umalume I know izinto azenzeke la ekhaya ngoba angazi ngizoblame aba ukuthi izinto azikho grand yabo, because it's the same for everyone yabo. So when you look at things, that's when I started looking at things as they are. I've never tried to blame umuntu uthi izinto zami azenzeke. I think that's why till today I like ngithanda uyibuka as it isn't yabo. So awudingi ukungiconvince I know kwenzeke kanje because analyze the situation exactly how it is and then ngibone ukuthi mina where do I fit in this whole thing, ngimove kanjani out of it if I have to, if kulula futhi ngizokwenza kanjani, if I need to call in a few favors. I've always said to you guys, I'm not someone who's very easy to ask for favors for me, because growing up it was a shame ukucela usizo ngisamncane, yabo. So angaka adapt kahle to that, but yabo, so different backgrounds, as much as bekhona be available bonke abantu egcekeni, but kuba khona lezo zinto ezincane obonayo ukuthi okay lokho asikwazi ukwenza, lokho siyakwazi ukwenza, hayi lokho kunzima ukwenza because siconsider as ihlazo yabo into kanjalo. But nje hayi mina, yeah, it's always been like that. So namanje ngiphelela kanjalo, akekho umuntu engimblamayo for ukuhluleka kwami, futhi even ngisamncane ama-conversation sasiba nawo nabafowethu abangikhula nabo kwakuyilo ukuthi fethu we need to work hard ukuze sishintshe isitori sale ekhaya, yabo, because akekho umuntu esomblame. Uma ulandela isitori sasekhaya futhi uyenza ukuthi akekho kwaba grant, umuntu sesingampointa komalume before thina kwakuwumalume wethu oyisosha. So there's nothing really to take from umuntu oyisosha because akekho egcekeni unyaka wonke uzobuya once in 2 years, yabo. As much as maybe njabuka kube grand kube mnandi, but once in 2 years, yabo, ababe khona you'd hear stories sokuthi bona bavula ifame ukuthi bakusetshenzwa kuyona ngesikhathi sokuthi bona bayivule. When you look at it today, it's a very successful fame. Mhlambe okay, amanye babesebenza la wakhiwa khona isoap famous South Africa, ibona bayivula icompany, and it's the only one in Durban. There's no other in SA, but mawubuka bona there's nothing to show, yabo. Angifuni ukubala manje because maningi kodwa. So yeah, so you understand with kwakutough bro, yabo. Oletlami lisebenza isibhedlela, time abelisebenza isibhedlela, but olethi laqala as a volunteer la selafunda ngaphakathi, and then eventually laba grant. So ukuhlupheka Rosie a thing yayikhona vele from edladleni. So angeke ngithi ish khona ngiblame no,
but uzala abantu abashadile abama out banengane. We live in a society now where amachita, if eveza ukuthi ingane zabo bayithanda kanjani, mhlawumbe umchita ayibambe ingane yakhe entombazane ayilokhuze, ayibambe, nenabantu mese bebuka ngenye indlela. With all these guys ozwana nabo, bro, what is it that you've seen indlela abakhulisa ngazo ingane zabo that you pick up and you say, bro, la machita lawa nami ngiyayifisa le ndlela le?
It's different, yabo, because kukhona abanye abakwazi ukunikeza ingane le free will le nehamba ne-responsibility, yabo, of which it makes ingane be well disciplined, because understand ingane cause and effect talent eyenzayo, yabo. For example, ingane uma idinga something and they can negotiate for that thing ngaphandle kokuthi bayicele, because ingane zinele idea le ukuthi mangicela into ubaba kumele unginike okanye umuma akumele ngiyithole, yabo. I do not have to negotiate that much, okanye angidingi ve mangiyidinga into kumele ngiyithole. But they create that beautiful thing yokuthi ingane ibe ne understanding. Hence nakwezinye izinto ke, even when they would go out and play, when they'll spend time together, they understand ingane ubaba uzoyidlalisa ingane like badlali kube into it's so beautiful ukubona itime alizehlisa lilingana nezingane zabo, yabo. But ke obviously kuba khona laba ba embarrassed vethu, ayileyo kuyona part engiphatha kabuhlungu mina. Utho ukuthi ingane ihalela ukudlala vethu Starbucks, sengenza umzekelo, okanye mall, wena usukhuzana nayo ingane manje zifa ingane wrong, ingane izokwenzani ngaphandle kokudlala? But if ingane understand ukuthi mase ngidlala lapha sekumngozi okanye sekuyinte okanye asidlali kwi-space esingaka because of this and then, but angisho ukuthi zonke ingane ezincane ziya understand. Ingane sometimes isikhathi esiningi I understand if awukhulisanga ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi ibalansise izinto, ngeke ikwazi ukuyibalansisa ukuthi ingane izofuna ukugibela esihlahleni ngenkani, yabo. Migibela esihlahleni kumele yazi ukuthi ungagibela but uzowa phuke dingeke isejazi.
Do you think wrong futhi amajitife ekuqabula ingane zabo?
Hayi, why kumele kube wrong ukuba affectionate enganeni yakho? Because zonke lezi zinto they tie in together. Akukho wrong indlela okukhombisa ngayo uthando nengane yakho. Nayo ingane yabona ukuthi uthando, you are not coming ngendlela bayibiza ngani le ma pedophiles. Iyabona because indlela eni engage ngayo. Even when you guys play, when you guys like iyabona ingane ubaba, yabo? Across all because ngeke uvela usike ufune wena ukubamba ingane kodwa still anidlali ezinye izinto ani engage because like kunendlela enithi mani engage ngayo bese kube ukuthi iya translate kuzona zonke izinto enizenzayo. Yebo injani ngeke uvela ufuna ukuhaka ingane okanye ufuna ukubamba ingane yakho izandle emall kodwa even nasendlini awukazi awuyihaga ayibamba uma ubuye eSpani it's not like ulo baba ohaga nayo ugona ingane yakho nihlale nixoxa usokuthi uphuma eSpani uhaga ingane yakho ihlale la ixoxela usuku ukuthi belunjani. Kodwa manje so it becomes very weird if leya nto leyayenza kuyonke.
Jadu, you are the only one who's a father here, Chief. You experience.
Fortunately. It's actually interesting. I think the being a father of a son is for me more direct. I wanted a daughter as a first child, but God decided to give me a son. The reason I wanted a daughter is because it's easier for me to love. And I there's a love that I have to give my son that is different to the one I'm going to give to my daughter. So I was hoping God would give me, for me, what would be an easier road. Because it's easy to be liked, you know. When I'm a father of a daughter, it's all love. Like, what do you want? There, you can have it. Then obviously the mother plays the more disciplined role. But with the son, I have to play the disciplined role. And it's so funny that right now, if my wife says no to him, whatever he was doing, he's going to keep doing it. But once I say no, he even freezes and he looks, he tries to see what's and he immediately stops. So I have to be that no that is stern. That even when I say the no, I can feel, look at it, I added a bit of vibration. I made it sound heavy. And when I have to play that role, it's an interesting one because you get to see the need for both. Because it's hard for him to take the no from the mom seriously. Because even when the mom says no, and let's say he wants to feed, he's going to feed. He's going to keep pulling onto the mom until the mom is going to give in. So he's already learned that this no is not strong. There's the one who says no and then picks me up with one hand. So it's beautiful to see. But in terms of what the opinions of people are going to be on how I choose to raise my kids, I don't care, you know. I genuinely don't care. I think as a sovereign being, as long as I'm going to abide to the human rights or abide to the law, I should have that flexibility to show affection to my kids the way I see fit, as long as it's appropriate. And I think a lot of where that disgust come from, because it's also for me, let's say I see a video on Instagram where a dad is hugging their daughter and the daughter looks a bit old. Because we live in a time where we have been exposed to so much inappropriate ideas. Like the world now, everyone is thinking about Epstein's files and what these old people were doing with young girls. And then all of a sudden you see a father hugging the kid in a way that looks romantic, and, you know, it takes something in your subconscious about what you've seen and what's happening in the world. So the bias is not necessarily from their own experience or because they want to say, hey, but what's going on here? But everyone is almost on high alert. Like, we're all looking out to see, is this kid being abused? Is this parents taking advantage of this kid? So I also understand and I see that. But that's why I'm saying it's very important that in my home, I still have that power to see how I want to show my kids love. But it has to be appropriate. And you also need to understand that the opinions of people are also shaped by the worldview today. And even though the worldview is not the best, but it is the worldview. Danko.
When have you ever been khona ingane encane uyaziyo nake like mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi ingane No, like uthola ukuthi ingane yakini nonqale look understanda loluthando lelamalume ukuthi usukwalinikeza yini ingane encane.
Sure, I've nomshana wami manje umfana uNdo. I love him dearly, you know, and we're very close now. So I try my best to, because when I look at him, yeah, so because I have this thing, man. I've so see, like if there are people in my family, abang them. So I try my best to get by you know, than the one I had, man. So my relationship with him is very good, because if ever engalaleli uma usho kahle ukuthi hayi uyazi uBuddha uzongisotha out, you know. So and he knows ukuthi once mangikhona hayi kumele, you know, because unokuhlala shemayibuyele iTV angenzi lutho, you know. And I mean, he already anlankinga, you know, lenza yonke into, you know, no auntie and everyone else, but nje yabo, but once ngafika chief athi hayi ndoda ukwazi vele relax nje ibuyele nje iTV isikoko ungenzi lutho ayikhona uvuka kuqala kube wena nojumpayo athi hayi no ayikho inkinga abeqale baqebona ukuthi uzowenzani, you know. So I feel like if voice it out, if it's in any household, it's very important. Just what Jake was saying now with intwana yakhe, you know, ukuthi yabo le voice yomjita nje ukuthi hey kuba nale hanto chief
Yeah.
yabo serious,
But it does not have to be ngalendlela
yeah, not exactly, but kuba nale hanto faith, you know, eba nalo ba firm ukuthi kuse, you know, kumele, you know, things needs to be done, because as a guy, I mean, bro, time bro, somehow kunale hanto faith ekutshela yona ukuthi kuse ezi out dog kumele kube khona into yenzayo. You know, things needs to be done. Ukuthi uyakhala kunjani, you got to do things, you know. And at the end of the day, man, you know, ukwenza lo kumele ukwenze yabo. So kubalekile, because now it's more umuntu bro, you need that voice, faith, you know, whether, because like we were saying ithi late labantu likhuliswa uma olate, but yabona even if bra kukhona faith you what a uncle or a brother uyadingeka yabo, just like what I'm saying right now ukuthi edlandleni talk olate vele lisho alingifonela lithi awubhuti uzofika, and uyazi once ngafika chief yonke into imangulayini maphorisha icathulo zesigelu uxhuma kuqala useyayiphorisha sebeyahleka endlini bathi ha konje usukhona. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know, I think you were going to say something, Ted.
No, ngifuna ukubuza la ukuthi khona laba mfethu imndeni la ngekho khona ke inhlobo umbusiness.
Yeah.
Imiswa kanjani ke ithiwani ke leyo njengoba usho wena manje ukuthi le voice le FM iyadingakala wona wonke umjita ingane umjita angithi yabo manje kule mndeni le akekho ke kwalo obhuti ke akekho lo malume umama mhlambe no dadu wabo.
Well, we live in a society right now, bro, like where, you know, angifuni mina mfethu ukuthi lempahla le si promote la because le anti ipushwa kakhulu yabo lento zokuthi there are good men fit out there. Yabo bakhona manje grand vethu are right. Whenever I know a lot of guys, bro, abakrend aba right who are good role model, who are trying their best to make sure ukuthi they are raising intwana ngendlela right, you know. So I feel like kumele kube kuyena umuntu, you know, as a parent umzali, if ever mhlambe ke i-time mhlamba liko present or abeka amachita khona akhona amachita fethi are right fethi ingane yakhe engazama ukuyisondeza kuwona, you know, who are trying to make sure ukuthi intwana ziba grand, you know, and who are also there now for the other kids ukuthi abone, because but yazi lezi intwana most yabo mina sengibabonile abanye bro, like they just need somebody that's gonna listen to them, you know. So man kuba kuma oledi ukuthi bafuna yini ukuthi intwana zabo zisondelana namachita anjalo right, But ey'khathini zamanje bra kunale hanto ekhona, these gender wars that are happening, so it becomes difficult for omama ukuthi bathembe iy'ngane zabo ngamajita. Yes, we know ukuthi kwenzakalani nani right now, but we shouldn't close it up in the sense that now we think every guy, we are bad. That's why I'm saying we should also make sure with la nat we promote in the machita crane, because we know what are gonna mount right. There are guys with a crane that right who are raised. We know some of them abanye la, abanye right faiths who are there. So those are the type of people that should be promoted, and in making sure with lezi intwana bas expose as well. Ukuthi zibabone, zibukele kubona, and also have conversation with it, because it doesn't take much. I mean, there are so many guys like Jada. Jack also does some stuff where he goes and he buys food for out. I also do some stuff as well. We're going to a school on Friday, La Pana for Intwana, So it's a little that you can do. We can't fix everything, but it's important to be exposed to amount right. So they can't do everything now, but at least if corner faith umuntu aba exposed ubuyena okrend or right abangakwazi ukubukela again bafunde again, then ukhona umehluko ongenzeka.
Just to add another point, Lapo, another thing that really shapes especially a young boy is if there's any sports that, even if it's wrestling, karate, onje, any sports where he can go and learn rough and rugby, it's great sports that can help him control. Because one of the things that I from my own observation is that when someone lacks a disciplinarian like that man voice, they confuse aggression with control. Like they become very aggressive, because what a father does is for a boy is he helps you learn Uguti, hey, there's someone stronger than you. That thing you're trying to pull, I'll fix you up very quick and you'll never pull it again. What that does is you learn that, hey, to be strong doesn't mean I must be aggressive. So karate can do that for your kid, rugby, or even just a church community. But to assume that you can substitute for that role is a big mistake, because what I think happens is there's two things that you can fall into. Let's say you're a single mom. You can either become an overcompensator, where you try to overcompensate and you do too much for the kid. Everything is yes. Even when you say no, he'll still do his will, and there's nothing that you can really do to hold him accountable. Or you get burnout parents, burnout single moms, where you start to complain to the kid how the father is absent and how men are bad. Or you get angry. Let's say the kid is crying all the time and there's no person that you can give the kid to. Like sometimes Inganyam can be crying and I can see that my wife is getting emotional, like it's too much for her. She can say, hey, go to your father, that allows her to also calm down. But now let's say you're alone. There's no one you can offload the kid to in that moment and try to calm down. What you then become is you become overly aggressive to the kid, where everything is no. You almost pass down that trauma, that pain, or whatever that happened to you, you start doing to the kid, or you then abandon the kid and say, ayazin ukokwa kukon. You offload the responsibility of raising the kid. All of those things taint his psychology. All of those things become things that he needs to end up dealing with, or else they form in character, they form in his habits, that even though he can become financially successful, but when you meet him, you're like, hey, why is this person mean? What happened to this person that he's not a good person to be around, or they struggle to make meaningful friendships, or you see it projecting, and then you realize that when you follow back, oh, he was raised by a single mom who was very aggressive. So this person always needs to feel they seek approval, or they seek to be recognized, or so all of those things. The best thing you can do, if you in a situation where there's no strong role model, put him in a sports where he will interact with other authorities, where you'll have to learn discipline, where you have to develop these things. So yeah, I think that's something that you can take that's practical if you're a single mom and you're listening to this. Danko.
Ahasho. Uyithini le show check yesport?
About conditions, it always depends on how you grew up. I've never been someone who had always been aggressive. So, most of my life I played Ebola, which I feel like Ebola there's always discipline, because if you're not listening to a coach, you know when uqala ibhola nje ufune uhlezi wazi ukuthi uphethwe, especially uma uwumdlali awuyiphethe, yabo, because ngisho wathi blind kangakanani, there's always someone who will always decide over uyadlala or not, yabo, whether ufit noma awukho fit, khona umuntu ozokufilter and futhi make keep uyakkeep, yabo. So it's either ucoach, it's either umuntu ophethe i-team, yabo, ufune nizwe ngaye, and then also mase usegroundini, you don't just do because when uthemba uvunyiwe and then sefune wenze something because khona uref phakathi naye ufune uqala uhloniphe uref, uhloniphe ucoach, uphinde uzohlonipha umuntu ophethe i-team, uphinde kube khona ucaptain. So as much as ndingana ndlala la groundini, but also there's a captain ofuneka akutshela ukuthi if ethi when uhamba uphosa ibhola lapho, you have to go and throw that ball in, yabo. If akutshela ukuthi I know ipenalty ngezithathu wena o-free kick ngeshawa uzoshawa swanibani, you have to respect that because kusho ucaptain, umuntu odlala naye la groundini, yabo. So I've never been that kind of person who's I know, yabo, but ngibile nayo nhlanhla wezidlala isport nga-understand ukuthi it's a team effort, akuyi ukuthi wena ufunani na. So mhlawumbe njengoba uJack eda nge-wrestling, angaze i-wrestling ngigcine uyibuka ku-TV, yabo.
I think indlela e-right okuyibeka ukuthi sports in general,
Yeah,
angithakeza lo
Great discipline.
teach you
yeah, discipline
and lot of things, yabo. Singa I think uJack ukhulume ngalezi azenzile
Yes, yeah.
azaziyo, ingakho nasebenzisa akathandana ukuthi akhulume sokhuluma kanjani ngecricket angazi ayidlala, angithi yabo ukuthi swimming engazi ayenza into ekanjalo. So
Abraham akayidlalanga i-sport.
ubani
Abraham.
oyibo
awukungizami noma isiphi isport ongidlalela
wadlala
kusona,
nje nayo ibhola
noma isiphi nje isport ongidlalela, wadlala nami into,
Yasabisa.
wadlala nami iphelele, ungazi kahle. Sport lethe kwisport nje uzongizwa.
Let me pick your brain, Kaniso.
Yeah.
From your point of view, on that same question, ngoba this thing must become also useful for abantu abalalelayo.
Yeah.
Maybe share from your perspective now, Uguti. For someone, because that's a very important thing, where there's no dad,
Yeah.
what are some of the things they can do? Sports is one, but what's something else that you maybe have picked up, Uguti? It's a good way for these single parents, Uguti, pushing and Uguti, no, go try this thing. And then maybe speak to them so they can see value, if you see the value there.
Uyazi ukuthi nibika ama-point abalulekile ne, but ukuthi kunalento singayiboni le ukuthi at the end of the day le ntwana isazobuyela edladleni, and if there's no authority edladleni, lento beyibuza uThedi ukuthi alikho ithama, there's no father figure. Ikhona i-role model ngaphandle, sharp, sikhona i-sports, sharp, but ngiyabuya ngedladleni, yabo. That's was past. So that's
no,
correct.
ngifuna to say this, ne? Character is built of habits, right?
Yeah.
There's a phase of my life where I think 7 to 8 years where I never saw my dad.
Yeah.
Behambile was doing his thing. But the disciplines that I knew, like I knew even in the saying, Sobizu Babak, I knew that this guy is not coming. But that idea was powerful enough. It's like, I don't know if you've met Abantaba and Zukarat, they're like so calm. Like number two, hey, let's fake fight. I know I don't fake fight. The discipline from the gym, upumanalo. So even let's say in Nganyako, you send him for a few months. Obviously, when he comes home, there's no authority. But with time, he's starting to learn. Hey, coach Ute, you need to speak when you're spoken to. It's like those kids who go to private school. Maybe Boneta, and I don't know if you've met a kid who goes to private school. But you see, hi sir, Ute, I'm a son. That habit is not because make Bonanje. No, it's in Taifundi. So even when Inganyako goes to sports, there's certain things that will even rub off. Uzombona endlini, now you're cleaning your room. Why are you cleaning your room? I say, I know, coach said. But that thing that he learned in karate came back home. So it's not to give up and say, but when he comes home, there's no father still. It's to see that there's something he can pick up there and that becomes a good trait for him, even when he gets home. He needs to go to soccer and go 5. So that means when he gets home, he's going to make sure go to 5. I need to be there on time. So it starts building a discipline of time. With her mom, if I come late, bazongishaya sama laps. You know those things. It's like, okay, no, ma, all right, so get uniform fast because I need to get there at 5. He starts to build habits outside of the sports because of the sports. But I just wanted you to see from that point of view as well.
Usayicabanga nje bro.
Ngifuna ukubuyela kuwena Thita yabo. So uke waba nenhlanhla yokuthi ube exposed ku sports useyintwana ne ekasini lakho. And isports sakusiza sakunikeza le discipline onayo because part of your character was built via sports. Yes, to answer ka Jack ne. But to other people ababeseduze kwakho, what happened?
Okay, so I think le mpahla lena mfethu yona ithanda ukuthi ibe nzimanyana in a sense ukuthi the society or the environment okhulela kuyona khulele lokishini and then isiphithiphithi saselokishini siyazi ukwenzakalani nsapho. So and mina ngalesikhathi ngiqala isport bengisahlala ne-time angithi yabo. So le party le vele bengazi ukuthi le ye-discipline nanani ayipheleli lapha edladlini ngisayona kusaphushwa yona vele angithi yabo. So kumina I miss le part ukuthi ngizenzele especially mase ngi-outside of sport. So mangiphuma lapha no sport isedladleni nginama-chores kunezinto ofanele ngibhekene into zesikole nazo zonke lezo. The only time ngizothola ikhathi sokuthi ngiphume ngaphandle to go do leso sport leso yabo. But ukuthi nje kanjani okunye kuyodlala nani ngizothola lento leyo mfethu mase ngenze ama-chores wami weekend futhi hayi ukuthi nje phakathi nesonto noma kanjani. If ngithole leyo gap ukuthi ngiyakwenza ngiyodlala ibhola namadiski nani ngibheke ilight yangigeja futhi sekumnandi kakhulu sengiyazi ukuthi ngiyoshayisana nempahla enkulu angithi yabona ngoba manje ngangiba njengomthetho ukuthi akufanele ngibuye emsebenzini wena ungekho la egcekeni ithama le angithi yabo bekanjalo. And also ithama mfethu kumina yabo lidlalile mfethu indima enkulu not only kumina yabo akukhulu futhi nase spacing la ngikhulele ngakhona yabo nje ngasedladlini mfethu ayi idlala kakhulu indima. Lokho bengakwazi ngingakunotice kodwa bengikubona ngabanye abazali abanye abantu abadala yabo ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi they were using me as a reference kwingane zabo yabo eyilingana nami fana nomfana wasibanibani kanje nangendlela ukuthi bazobathusa sometimes ngethayima lami kodwa engahlangani bengaze balibone futhi kukhona mhlawumbe into eliyenzayo ukuthi nama ngihubha ngenduku ngirawunda indlu whatsoever no angithi yabo. So discipline ukulalela ukuhlonipha na yonke leyo nto endlini nakusport mina bengiyithola.
Uma usubuyile ngalanga kwiside le oledi usuyayiqhubekela vele
mfethu uyahamba ngalowo moya.
So what I'm trying to highlight la ukuthi yabo mfethu amaningi amajita aphumile edladleni athi uyodlala isport kanti ayobhema insango especially la siqhamuka ngakhona. Thina amaningi amajita esiphume nawo siyodlala isport ngo-5 umuntu afike endlini ngo-11 yabo. Thina siyazi ukuthi u9 kumele ukushayela usegcekeni wena wawunesikhathi ukuthi kushayele segcekeni mina ngangazi ukuthi u9 nje egcekeni nje otherwise kuzotshela uyankela yabo. So I don't have answers, I only have questions yabo to such an extent ukuthi this thing is it's valid. Ayibe ne role model intwana ayingene kwisport it's but lama teachings ngathi angaqhubeka nasedladleni yabo. But kanjani oledi lilodo kanye itime asithi mhlamba likho loda but ayikho ifada fika kho ngisho neankele edladleni
Hey, Daniel, still look at it. I mean, I think there's no other way of having this conversation. Ngaphandle ukuthi siconsider ukuthi nendawo okhulela kuyona it also adds. Yabo?
Yeah.
It also adds. I think ngaphandle ukuthi sesifike egcekeni if nje obusho nje kanyusi nami ngiyavumelana nawo. There's no way ukuthi uzokhula udisciplined if edladleni nabo they don't instill leyo authority over abantu abahlala egcekeni yabo, because like nani ngicina niphendulana noma kanjani khona uvuka ekseni omunye usenza ukuthi seniyakhombana like mina there's never a time up until today angikaze ngixabana ngikhule egcekeni kukhona abantu izingane ezu 6-7 sikaze salwa even once yabo. Mina ugogo wami bekutshela kahle amantombazana abe2 butshelwa ukuthi waphikisana nentombazane senixabene uxabene nogogo. There's things also deprive zone because kade uphikisana nosisi wakho. Uyayizwa lonto le. So asikaze safika kuleyo nto sesiyalwa ezingane zasegcikeni. 2, that's why ngizama ukubeka ukuthi mina ekhaya ipressure ikaze yaba khona because asikaze sayibona into efuneka isinikeze ipressure. Yabo? Mawukhula ngihlezi ngisho kanje abantu engihlala nabo. Sometimes enye izinto ezigcina zikwenza ungabe as disciplined is because i-environment okukhule kuyona ububukela kakhulu kubantu abazokufakela ipressure niyachwaliselana kwi-area. Lezo lonto le. So khona umuntu ozokhulela okushini ingane yakho yenza as they please. Yabo? O bakhule grand like khani nalutho. Senizama ukuchase lento eniyibona lapha. That's why I see today mina mangiphuza imoto engithandayo angiyithandi imoto. Why? Because angikaze ngaba kwi-environment efuna ukuthandwa imoto. Yabo kumina imoto it's a mode of transport ukuthi iyaqhuma le ayiqhuma mina kuyayifanela yabo. So mawungibuza namhlanje uthandani khona umuntu ozothi I know ugcwalisela imoyo yothenga esitolo ngoba uthengile buya neslip uphatha iprofota. I don't care dog because angaze ngikhulu environment la fitness present oyigqokile yezo lo. So i-pressure it also comes with labantu okhule nabo. Mina ngasekhaya ngisho ngabuya ngigqoke whatever ngigqokile ukuthi biza abanendaba abazi nokuthi yabiza leyo nto leyo. So kunaloko bazokubuka ukuthi uyabatshela bekubuze singalini isicetho sigqokile ubatsho ukuthi I know ngisengabale ngakho ubona ihlazo limbi kabi leyo ukwazi ukuthenga isicetho esingakubunga khindlu ngaleyo nto yabo. So it depends ukuthi ucome up i-competition idalwe e-Europe ngoba egcina so i-competition akithi ngicina sengixabana endlini ngaphakathi because usucompete nosisi wakho nomzala wakho or whatever. Ngangabe uthi nicompete financial ngangabe uthi nicompete ukuthi nifuna ukuthanda ubala egcekeni yabo. So nizoshintsha indlela yokubehave la ekhaya ukuthi uba wephekile it didn't matter kugogo as long as idliwe. Ukuthi uhambe lo complain gogo wathi bekupheka mina izolo so ufuna ngingadliwa izolo ngoba upheka izolo. You understand? I like ekhaya mina bewasha izitsha izolo uzokutshela ukuthi iziwasha isonto lonke ngoba uya complain. Lezo because i-authority phezulu kwakho ukuthi awuyenzi into because it's an option. Uyenza because ufuna uyenze la egcekeni yabo. Sina besitshala thina besivuswa ngo5 ekseni sihlale ngadini from 6 until 6 ntambama. Lezo lonto uma wakho athi uyabuya emsebenzini akutshela ukuthi hawu inguba niwashanga bengithenisheni washa ingubo nogogo wakho athi bengibafuna engadini uzolalela ba uzophikisana noma wakho imanga washanga ngoba isho leyo nto. Ugogo wakho ngeke ukhale kuyena uthi I know bekade ngoba sewasha ngoba naye ugogo uzokutshela ukuthi uma wakho umtshela ukuthi lo anyanisa udlayo lo kade utshalwa yini. Yayizo lento ngoba ayithi ufuna ukubuya kuphekiwe uzopheka ngasikhathi sini bekuthunyelwa umuntu oyedwa ngo4 hamba opheka the rest nihleli la. Yayizo so i-environment okhule kuyona mfethu nabantu okhule nabo umakhelwane la ekhaya kune-DS ngala usubona ipressure ufuna kufaka i-DS la ekhaya. Until today mina nginenda ziningi izinto engeke ngiyibuke ngithi abantu mebephikisana ngazo ukuthi hawo mina azingenzi lutho azinge-excite yabo because angikaze ngibe umuntu ozothi ekhaya sikhule mentality yokucompete. Angikaze nginokukhuluma nabafowethu engihlala nabo kakhulu which I feel like bakhule be-privileged yabo. This other time we had a conversation siphikisana ukuthi khona obephikisana noma wakhe ngambuza ngithi bethu wazi ukuphikisana noma wakho uhlala uzongitshela utshele mina uthi umade siphikisana noma ube proud ukutshela lokho ukuthi ade niphikisana noma mina ngiphikisana noma umama efonini namhlanje ethi angibuye ekhaya ufuna ngibuyele ekhaya ethi hey ufuna ufika ngekhaya seshilo yabo ukuthi namhlanje methe I know ukudla ngeke uzudle ngoba wenza ukuthi ufune ngincenge ukuthi ngikuthole ukudla because shoot uyangidiscipline. Yezona it's things ezikanjalo lezothi mawusuyibuka namhlanje ukuthi actually lento yayingaka buza anyone okhule ngey'khathi zakudala. Today when you sit down and you have this conversation, uyayibuka ukuthi actually lento yangaka. But anyone okhule after thina uzokutshela ukuthi hayi no lento yangihlukumeza, ngaba depressed, ngaba ne-anxiety. There's so many things I can't, but discipline, I don't think it's one of those.
Jake, I'm interested ukuthi uyivale yazi le part because I think you were going somewhere with us trying to give these answers. Unfortunately, mina nginama questions bro.
No, Vince, I appreciate the questions because it also shows how other people think.
Yeah.
But a question is a thought that you want to explore. So you ask me and then we play around with it. But the way I look at this is this. Let's say I have a scenario, right? The one scenario, the kid does no sports, just stays with his single mom at home. Then the other scenario where the kid goes to sports. And I say, what is the probability of influence? Which is better? That I tell this mom, just keep your kid at home because in Apuma, or uzopuma and then go do anything else. You see, so the world is not perfect. And a lot of the responsibility is also with the kid, especially once he gets to 12, 13, 14. If he wants to be umuntu obheda uzobheda. Ungamfaka ukarate ayoshaya abantu khona. And he doesn't want to listen. It can happen. There's a part that becomes the kid's responsibility. But when you are a mom and ingane yakho isancane and you're thinking ukuthi hey, there's no men around, it is in your favor to put him in sports. There's a good chance he can learn something valuable, especially if the sport is good, especially if it's like, see, things like a team sport or something where you can lose or you can win, it builds character. I remember my mom and dad, my mom is very spiritual. So where we used to do karate, there was like, I'm a karate gym, but spiritual nakon. They used to make us count in Japanese, like H, Ni, Chi, Ku. Then when you grade, Rocky,
Kata 1, Kata 2, Kata 3.
Ufika late, uyoguqa ekhoneni. And then the sensei has to...
push-ups, washaye kanje
release
panapa.
it.
Ucabanga ukuthi kanje, ungazodlala kanje.
Showcase, yon. So now when my mom, we came home, it's great. When you're moving from white belt to yellow belt.
Yeah.
Back a certificates, then it had Ama Dragons. What? Mom, this is witchcraft. So they fought with my dad. My dad is like, they have to do something. But okay. The agreements they found was basusa ku karate, sayenzi judo. Nakhona umama uyakhala ukuthi na ama certificates siya create. Sasuka khona sayenzi boxing. But in that journey there's so much I learned. Just timing first, ukuba late. When you come late for karate,
You get punished.
you can be there the whole session. Usensei ufuna ukuthi akubuke nje azokukeep, akakeep. You stay for the whole hour. But stay there. And that, even when you get home, that thing won't leave your head. If I'm late.
Yeah, karate is the best done right. When it's done right.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. So if you're a mom and unengane yakho, put him in something, even if it's gonna be sports and monitor ukuthi uyahamba uyaphuma, but it's better than nothing.
Yeah, that point that you make, Guti, if there's no, she's just a single parent. And there's no sport or there's sport. The sport is
it's a no-brainer. At least I told you coach that can become his father figure. Have you not seen athletes? This coach is more than a coach to me as a father. Because they replaced a void that the father couldn't fill. It happens because there's also homes, bro.
Let's add the pedophile. Let's give the parent the pedophile responsibility to Guti. Abe intentional go coach at least.
Sure. It's important,
and the show because I do have my experience growing up. Intwana yami ayino coach right yaba grand. Yathi misikhulile si grand yaba no coach owayitshela ukuthi awukuzuluzi wethu wena asibheminta.
Uyabona.
Do you understand? So
the parent has to play a big role,
The parent still needs to monitor that. Yeah? It's not just completely outsourcing the food responsibility, but that part is very important.
Yeah, no. But if you get the wrong coach,
Shapiri lezi intanga zaselokishini ezidlala ibhola intsangu uzifunda lapha ebholeni ezinye.
Wabukhona la. No. Eish.
Sorry, that's
But ubuyela kuleyo nto esho, I think enye into phela egcina sebe comfortable nayo ukuthi bathola isikhathi sokuya kobhema nensangu no coaches because kwasekhaya vele iyashoda idiscipline.
Discipline ya.
Yabo.
Unokufika unuka yona lento leyo
kuthulakala.
legal notice. Ukwazi
Two.
nokuyifihla impahla oboyigqokile replacing ezinye.
Uthethi njengoba dash kunesikhathi esukuthi ungaya kodlala isports but ngesikhathi sokuthi ufuna usubuyile.
Yeah.
Mina ekhaya bongakwazi uyodlala isports ungakazi uqala engadini. So uzosithola nini esikhathi? So ufune wazi uma ngibuya esikoleni ufune ngiphuthume ngewasha ishirt. Ngibuye
Yeah.
ngiqede washa ishirt ufune ngazi okay ufune sihambe siyoka if awuzange uchele ingadi enkulu ingadi enama ekutshaliwe la belisambe ukha amanzi ukuthi ugcwalise ama-drum awu-4 ama-drum lemphongo lemkhulu yabo
Yeah.
ewu-4 ukuze khona ozofika azochelela akanayo inkinga yokuthi kufuneke ahambe
amanzi
ayogcwalisa
kuqala.
ayokha amanzi kuqala yabo. And then after ubuye engadini usuya ngejubane uphethe vele into zokudlala ibhola mushaya ibhayede lokugcina lokugcwalisa lawo inhlamvu yo background mufika egroundini ucoach akutshela ufike 5 minutes late.
Ufike late.
Yizo lo- urawundi,
Ngiyabona ukuthi kuyona
urawundi.
yonke lento eniyikhulumayo. It's not the parenting style is instilling that responsibility enganeni, that cause and effect ukuthi mawenza ukuthi kwenzeka ukuthi mawenza ukuthi wenze so that ingane nayo ikhule iyazi ukuthi okay I do have these choices but if I make this decision this is how this is going to affect this.
Fair.
This is how it's going to impact
Yeah.
this. Yabo. Iyona, it's not like intwana yami ufuna le nto ithathe. Uma ufuna iPlayStation, uma uzokuthenga iPlayStation, yabo? Because uma uyasebenza unemali, it's just that there's cause and effect. Oh, usufuna iPhone manje, okay, nanzi iPhone kanami. Oh, usumdala manje, usuqeda imatric, nanzi imoto, nanzi flat. No. There's cause and effect to everything. At least intwana ikhule iyazi irresponsible yona. Yabo?
Mina ngacela icathulo ze-location culture kwathiwa ayikho inkinga ngizoyithola icathulo le-location culture but funeka wazi ukuthi asikho esinye isicathulo ozasithola kule yabo and I had to choose
Khuleka nazo ngake ngacela ikhavela.
ngasithola isicathulo and angiphindanga ba nesinye isicathulo
Shulex,
kwaphela unyaka
angikaze ngibe nekhavela empilweni ngake ngayicela kodwa kodwa hayihambe ubheke iphesini
Yabo into
uma uyithola nje uhambe uyithatha ithenge noma inini la wafica khona le mali yekhavela uyithathe mntana ahambe uyithenga.
yes ngiyacabanga but also bafethu enye into esibe siqikelele also yabo njengoba emphasize kakhulu le ndaba yesport isports umzali anga introduce indaba yesport emntwaneni esamncane bese ukuthi kube umntwana osichuzelayo
Isports
isport sakhe asithanda leyo ibalekile ngoba uthi if wena uthi ikarate ngoba wenza ikarate and iyona kufundisa idiscipline intwana yakho kufanele ishaya ikarate uyayixova lapho yabo enithanda ibhola angithi yabo idedele idlale ibhola if uthanda something une passion about something usifundela wena yonke into
Yeah.
because you have passion for that thing so you would do anything and you want to be the best
Team
player
Shapiri.
angithi yabo leyo
Yeah?
so you have to
Phika kakhulu
Ukuthi
kuShapiri.
huh?
Phika kakhulu Shapiri.
ukuthi
Yaqhubeka Ras.
ima ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi uphika kuphi
Uphika kuphi.
Yanda esho. Ingane nje fethi ayazi lutho.
Shapiri
No phela at a certain
Shap-
age uthi
Shap-
uthe
Shap-
expose
awuzwa,
uthi
kusho
expose
ngilalela.
ku sport
Awu,
and then at some stage umyeke masombona ukuthi kune sport a gravitate kusona amnikeze le opportunity ukuthi agxile kusona.
phela mosemncane dog wenza yonke into esikoleni
Cabanga ifini bakuforce ukuthi udlale irugby.
wenza yonke into
Cabanga sebekuforce ukuthi
yabo
ayike.
wenza yonke into
Hambe bi scrum half lapha.
Ngoba iwini.
but isekuvelile ukuthi wena kuma athletics wena egijimeni 100 km
Blind.
ublind
Uyayishubisa
And
la
uyayincanya
isigele,
futhi
yeah.
leyo mpahla angithezwa leyo but because your dad or your mom uncanye irugby and irugby ifundisa uzothamba oshaya irugby
no asikho isport esingenayo discipline
Yazi-
ufune wazi
ngoba
ukuthi
so,
uzozwazi ukuthi ucompete you need to have discipline yourself
wena mfethu
before uzeyodlala
ikwena
mina bethu bengitswempu ebholeni bengitswempu igama elisingalithola ebholeni It's because kangenayo i-discipline yokujima ngingaze ngakuthanda. Ngihlezi ngisixoxela isitori ukuthi every time
nanokuthi phela wayifika late uthola ukuthi ubanjezelwe ingane
ufuna ukudova odaji
every time eku-Wednesday
Inkinga.
every time
Yeah.
eku-Wednesday kuziwa ngamateki.
shuthi nasejimini kwangekho mnandi imali kodwa uza nestori sakho
Yes.
sorry shuthi kuzoza
Every
nestori
time
sakho
eku-Wednesday kuziwa ngamateki. Mina ngo-Wednesday ngangingayi ejimini.
Urebel.
oh iteku ngoba alikho noma
No, because alithinti ibhola.
fitness
Ngoba
fitness
ngo-Wednesday
kuphela.
ibhola alithinti.
yes
Mina yabo. So ufana usekhaya waba blind okay mina kuba skillful nebo talented I think even nabantu abahlezi besicomparation when you are more talented than him but then he had discipline. Yena wayethanda ukujima more than ukudlala ibhola. Yabo. So physique yakhe yagcina yona manje mengaqhamuka umfana osekhaya omncane mungambuka ungatshethi imdala kunami because he has physique. Yabo weza thathe isaka le pop alifaka umhlabathi alifase ngentamba lilengise endlini alijime ngale endlini yabo alwe nalo yabo ama-dumbbells lawa asimende nama-dumbbells asimende nani is more physical than me but mina ngimdala yabo but mezidlala ibhola ngiyamjika grounded but one thing I realize mengidlala naye in one team every time mangabe ngimjika angifiki la ngiyakhonisela sefune ngiphinde futhi yabo wena umoya wena stamina serious wawathola ichance wahamba odlala egoli I think he played for Swallows samncane wadlala le Super Sport wahamba odlala Super Sport and then until azabe injury athole injury yabo
bamthakatha kanyusa
washawa groin stage 4 yabo
kanyusa
Kwaphela
kodwa
kanjani?
siyakubona wena
Discipline.
uyakude wena kanyusa phela sibathimbi
kahle tiso
sibathimbi
akho umuntu unamona amapower
umuntu ojima uyeza ukuthi ujimile ushawa iground kanjani manje gym
groin isho uthi uyagijima
ndakayifundile ukuthi Africa Magic kanyusa
nama ngikholela kuyona
awungizame check
hayi asiyekeni asingayi lapha bafethu no but kodwa yazini Shulex kushuthi mhlambe kwakungekho mnandi ejimini but for you as much as nje
No, I enjoyed playing soccer more than ukujima.
ukujima
Yeah,
yes
the problem was discipline.
yeah
But iyenzeka loo nto ukuthi uyithande enye into but discipline iyafana into zama-relationship uyithandela ukushaya
but do you think that shows musumdala kwezinye
does.
izinto
It
ukuthi
does.
it translates
It does.
ima kancane ngimzwe kahle futhi ngimzwe kahle ingaka ngiyibuyisa kanje uthanda uthini manje kanje ingaka ngiyibuyisa kanje
Ayafana.
mashe kakhulu
No, it's a problem, bro.
It shows.
The problem is serious. Yabo lento indlela esikhula ngayo nendlela abantu abakhulumisa ngayo. That's why abantu be-damage kanje today, bro.
Yeah.
People are damaged out here. And uyabona fethu ukuthi abantu indlela ababehave ngayo nezinto abayishoyo yabo. That's why manje ubona bexexeze njengoba lesikhuluma indaba ama-cheat as if like ama-out anjani washa kwacima because uyabona ukuthi even the conversation you are having all of us, whether online or ever, it's a wrong conversation, you know, and we are talking to each other, but akekho funa ukulalela omunye kulalelwane, you know, zonke lezo zinto. So yona lento le uyayikhuluma indaba ukuthi ngiyakusho konke lokhu ko karate nanti kodwa kusalama athi mina ngisela ekuthenini abantu abashade fethu. Yabo? Abantu abashade fethu kurezo ngama-family agrand, healthy fethu. Yabo? Ama-family nje right. Abantu bashade fethu. Yabo?
bakhulu umshado kuyinto abayibhekile
Yabo akabuild
kale wena ube i-role model ungalibeli ukhomba abantu
le wathi
le
into enye into futhi na ele
uyayizwa kodwa
uma siblings
No,
wakho
ngiyakuzwa.
uma siblings wakho wonke bonke bashadile
Sure.
wena unambaba kuwona ama siblings wakho
Oh, ngasekugcineni chief.
last born
No, there's my little sister, second to last.
second to last wena usazoshada noma usa
ima yazi kodwa mhlawumbe thina singayipersonalize siyenze ibe ngazuthi ushapile
no
because yazi I think enye into esishayayo ukuthi I don't think thina sine framework right especially angingayi lapho I don't think thina umshado siwubuka ngendlela egrand yabo yazi yini engenza ngisho kanjalo bafethu ngiyangibukele kumngane ethu umjakadula yabo ngazi ukuthi la framework wayenayo kusukela kudala eyokuthi mfethu noma kwenzakalana nashade yabo kunama out mfethu odaki abanganqeni ngena kwi relationship u10 years or 8 years or 5 umuntu nje umshado into angayicabangi because indlela esibuka ngayo uwodwa ayikuwesi ke manje nje beshayeka kanje amajiteni enyuka ngumshado usho ukuthi nje kusekhona inkunzi ezothi sebenzile bithi hayi ngiyoshada in community of property or with the right reasons it's gonna be very tricky because usuyazi ukuthi hey kufragile kanje lawa khwanja lo muntu half gone yabo but iframework I don't think sine framework right ngomshado buka bra wami thina engeke mangibuka angiboni ukuthi ubuka ngendlela ekumele siubuka ngawo
bese ke sifike singawubuki ngendlela right bese siphinde silalele sithi abantu abashada lokho sikusho in what sense
I think when Afethu Shepherd is saying that
I have reasons why.
Yes, yeah, maybe one of those. I'll make this assumption and then Uzo explain.
Yeah.
I think we've seen ukuthi i-society ukuzibe ngcono idinga ama-families, mostly for nucleus families. Yabo? I think that's the case. But into emini ngikhalele kuyi-highlight ukuthi at some point we really need to redefine success. Kungabi ukwenza inyuka kuphela. Kube ukuthi as out you work hard enough ukuthi uthole ukwazi ukubhaya idladla okanye ukuthola idladla and then the next step kube umshado and then the next step kube uccumulate wealth futhi yabo while you expand the family but thina think mhlambe khona le esigeje khona kancane sa focus akuyona kakhulu kunalezi zinye because lezi zinye asiziboni zibalekile because imagine if ungasebenza nje kancane mfethu uthi nje usa grand ube wazi ukuthi usubudgetela idladla itsila ngokusave noma ubhathi nje unedladla lakho nje and then from lapho usubuild umndeni wakho and then bese expand futhi I don't know sure. But usungachaza ke lama reasons akho ukuthi
no mina the reason why I'm saying abantu bethu umshado ngeke singakhuluma nje sithini but umshado let's structure chief you know family structure is very important. I mean the world today because the family structure ifile chief yabo so I feel like iyona into edingakalayo leyana ukuthi ibuyiswe you know and make sure ukuthi iya promote because manje promote kakhulu lezi zinto zo single parent and people yabo so we need to make sure ukuthi abantu benza ngcono you know, and then we promote the importance of getting married and making sure that if uthala nomuntu bro there should be intensity siyashada chief as testan you know so marriage bro I won't lie I want ezinye izinto fethu lezi sikhuluma ngazo ezinye zazo angeke siloku sikhuluma ngazo ngavoideke if abantu bashadile if both parents are present you know and umuntu ukhule ekhaya right elwom anguye sikade share manje khula kwakhe kubo ukuthi abazali they were there nani sonke lezi zinto ziyakhanta ngomuntu ezekhula so that's why lento umshado kumele siyipromote you know it's a good thing you know nami mfethu ngophinde ngizame I don't know when but ngophinde sizame ngiyakholelwa kule nombolo mfethu iya wakho umndeni you know and it builds even the nation too you know and it is the better the society even the morals you know nje nokuyiphatha kwabantu abantu abayiphethe manje because if it's asekho ama families are right ayisekho le nto fethi yokwakha umndeni mfethu yabo ukuthi umndeni mawuwena umpana uyintombazana wenza lokho wenza ayisekho lokho umuntu manje uyayimashela ngenombolo zakhe
okay etela nje wena Shepherd I don't think umshado ufuna la but I'm not targeting a response yakho. I'm just saying this because mina ekhaya akekho umuntu ashada ngaphandle yagogo wami but sikhule kahle sikhule disciplined sikhule sithando bese sikhonjisa ukuthi mfethu buwazi bayasithanda ekhaya but bengashadile ugogo kuphela beshadile till today uma wazashada baba wazashada malume washadile malume omunye washadile sisibami washada ahlukunyezwe umshadweni wabuya but siyazwana I think sikhule ngesikhathi mawuthatha ama-history emndeni eminingi bebe unsettled because bekuyinhlakanhlaka khona emshadweni. You find out at a later stage umuntu semdala ukuthi eish khona into eyenzeka kulo mndeni because ubaba khona we-abusive, yabo. So I feel like if sithi preach igama lokuthi abantu abashade sibaphinisela kuma-situations where bazoyithola just because bafuna ukushada sebehlala unsettled, but because bafuna ukushada and babheka uthando emshadweni, yabo. That's not only...
No. I'm not saying, bro. I am not saying ukuthi umshado is like the solution. People need to work on themselves. That's guaranteed. Yes. You can't get into marriage it's very important to go to 7 before you join to anyone. But what I'm saying is marriage brings a structure, chief. There's a structure, and also if you want to build wealth, chief, the world right now is run by families. Everything that we are consuming today, it's a family. The last name is very important more than anything. So when you're building communities, you need a family structure.
Yes, I agree with you. But
you need that.
I think leyo mshado because ngisazwa culturally, yabo. Wonke umuntu uthola ukuthi uyathanda ukushada. But when you find out, okay, I said sasikhulelwe into eningi ngizosho kanje because mina as is angikwazi ukushada uma engazange ashada. Do you understand that? Awukwazi. Culturally awukwazi ukushada wakho umzali engakazi ashade.
Culture.
Yes. Awukwazi ukuthi ungene emendweni ugogo wakhe engakazi ashada. Umkhulu wakhe. That's why uthola, that's why till today uthola abantu sebebadala uzwe kuthiwa sekushadisa ugogo sashona. Because when ufuna ukushada futhi awukwazi ukuyoshada wena ugogo wakhe engakazi ashada.
Hayi sisebenzile sivale lokho le ngathi yathi topic students ikhona phela yabo imandla bafethu hayi
because okay wait let me continue. Okay, make an example. Let me make it. I'm not saying I'm going to give it deep into culture, but I'm going to make an example.
Right, Ukraine, yes. But siyayivala la because of isikhathi. I-topic esizoqhubeka nayo kuleka.
It's ngile
sure.
I'm saying this when I check because when I shepherd because also remember ukuthi egcekeni njengoba ngisho mina ekhaya as much as besikhula sikhombisa ukuthandwa nokuthi i-structure sikhona even till today sikhona i-structure wonke umuntu uyabuyela ekhaya and even today mengifika ekhaya ngifike ngibehavior sewengane lengangiyona kudala akekho umuntu omdala okudlula abantu abadala ekhaya mase khulume bona kuphelile, yabo. Leyo nto yazidalana and sakhuluma ngayo la awukwazi ukuba ingane. Mina for example angithi mina uma walapha kulecele ngikholela kulona umalume wami wakulecele ngikholela kulona nami because ngifuna ukuthi ngakhe ifamily ngithi funa ngithola ingane manje ingane izokhula same gcekele ngikholela kulona. So you building generations asesibongweni esodwa which is culturally it's wrong. I need to understand. So sizokhula sonke sibize sibonge esodwa si generation engafani. Sinama generation of 4 in one family abize sibonge esodwa. Wonke umuntu unesibongo sakhe. That's why kuthiwa awukwazi ukuthi ungene emendweni wena uziyobiza kodwa uma wakho umshiye ibiza isibongo sakhe sakumalume wakho. Kufanele uyifake wena kulo cultural. Yazi lento so ngifuna ukulenda lapha. I'm not saying angifuni ungena deep into it but ingakho so because sifuna ukushada sekhandi world sizogcina sizinengane ezibizwa ngcobo si generation esiba 4 sibizwa ngcobo sonke ngcobo kodwa ubaba wakho unesibongo sakhe uma wakho unesibongo sakhe nalo munye ubaba wakho unesibongo sakhe nalo sibongo but because siwani ayingane ayilahle ufune sizogcina siwongcobo sonke la egcekeni lento ukuthi sigcine seshada nasonke selana nasodwa izoqhubeka yande because why sifuna ukushada.
Thank you much Jiten for the topic Shapiri yeke
I got cool. No mina first ngifuna ukuvumelana no Ace ukuthi it's a misconception to think ukuthi every marriage works. I remember mina my first time ngibona marriage ebhedayo. I was visiting one of my family members. My first time ngibona umuntu like a man and a woman fight because my parents I don't know how they did it to this day. They just never fought in front of us. I know they fought because sengidala manje. But the way they did it was just amazing. When I was visiting my cousin ngabona nje the guy said umfazi ngamtshela ukuthi wena fonela amaphoyisa. Na uyangilalela fonela amaphoyisa. Bafike bazobopha ubaba wakhe. Ngababuka ngithi what the hell is this? because of indlela engikhule ngayo, but it's a reality ukuthi not every wedding is good, not every marriage is good, and that there's a lot of hardships in marriage. But the good thing is, the same way Ngigne's example of that kid, karate or no karate, in the absence of a dad, ubonile now. So marriage is one of those things where, if done well, it is the best thing. It's like capitalism. If capitalism is done well, where we take into account the social aspects, it's the best way to create wealth. It's not perfect. It's harsh where you see someone who's feeding their dog better than other people, but the model allows him to do so. So to that point, to say that the way we look at marriage, it should not be as a, once I'm married, all is well. Uzolimala. You're going to get into a marriage and you're going to wish you didn't get married. And I know a lot of people, that's why the divorce rate is so high, because if you take two broken people and you put them in the same house, nothing becomes whole. They are now two broken people in one place. But if you take people who understand what they're doing, who aspire to be one, then it's a different story. So to that point, I want to say it's important they must understand that marriage is not a blanket solution. Now, on the inverse is the beauty of marriage. It's not just a structure to produce wealth. There is also a spiritual element to it. There is a cultural element to it, but there's also practical benefits for the kids who are growing, which is backed by data. That the most successful kids, remember, we can't say Uguti, Ace is successful or not successful. But if I was asked, do I want to be like Ace? I wouldn't say yes. Do you understand what I'm saying? There are kids that I would prefer to be like. So if your model is to be more like Ace, great. Lalili advice ka Ace. But if your model is to not be like Ace and you want to be someone who is different to Ace, for example, me, if you want to be like me, my advice is marriage. Your culture is important, but you need to understand that culture is repeated habits over time. There are certain cultures that will hurt you. You'll go to Joburg and you start greeting people because culture yakho ithi mele ubingelela abantu bakubuke bathi hey, lana we don't play that game. You go to Europe, my culture says I can't go on the car. They'll tell you, hey, Lana, we don't walk. So culture now, you need to find its place. Not to say, you must disregard your culture. But if you can see, and it's not working for where you want to go, find something that works for you. There's no one who's all-knowing. There's no culture that is perfect. Everything can be changed and modified with time. So that's my advice for you. Look at what you want to be. Do you want to be a person who is married in a structured home with your kids with the best probability for success and you follow the data? Here's the formula. Do you want to be A, B, C, D? That's the formula. So choose what you want to be and then go for it. And then everything else you figure out along the way. Danko.
Danke Mchakato. Uthini? So Jack mawufuna ukufana no Ace lalela Ace mawufuna ukufana naye lalela
Sivalile
Danke manje
injalo.
basically
Injalo, ulalela ofuna ufana naye.
Ujola njani? Uzamile ukuyinunusana le.
No, ngisho kahle mina. If ufuna ukufana no Shepard, lalela uShepard. Ufuna ukufana no Elon, lalela uElon.
Yabuza lo mngaka.
Ufuna ukushada, lalela abantu abashadile, yabana.
Lalela Jack ufuna ukushada. Ufuna ukuba nesithembu lalela